how to post a buy-sell ad on Binance P2P. To post a buy or sell ad of a cryptocurrency on Binance P2P trading, it's very simple. Open the Binance app and this is the kind of interface that you will be able to see. From the bottom center of the screen, you'll find an option that says trades. So you want to simply navigate to trades. And from the very top of this menu, you will find an option called P2P. So simply head over to P2P. Now, depending upon whether you want to buy it or sell it, you can just navigate them from here. Now to simply post the ad, you can just search for any of the buy ones option here, and once done you'll be able to post this buy ad. And similarly, you can go to the sell option and choose to find any of these ads. Whenever you've started these ads, it will show up for other people that are looking for relevant results as well. And this way you'll be able to post a buy or sell ad on Binance P2P. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.